Hey guys, welcome back to Strong Stock Collectible. Today we're doing an unboxing of 2016 UFC Topps Museum Collection premium cards. It's really light. It says 2 autographs, 1 relic card per box. Alright, so let's see what we get here. Let's get this plastic off. Right. Plastic is out. It's one of them boxes with one jumbo pack inside. So this is what comes in a box. Right, 2016 Topps Museum Collection UFC 8 premium trading cards. All right, so let's open it up. See what we get right here. Right, we start with Carla Esperanza, Frank Mir, Anthony Johnson, Antonio Silva. All right, what we got? I got a patch relic of this bum, Conor McGregor. I'm sorry, but to me this guy's a bum, but it's a patch, pretty thick one, and is I don't see a number. Okay. Oh yes, right. There's 4 of 50, so I guess it's pretty good in numbers. 4 of 50, Conor McGregor patch. All right, I got an autograph of Michael Bisping. That's how you pronounce it. Bisping. It's 10 of 99. Nice autograph. Ooh, look at this. This is a real nice one. I like this one. This is a real autograph. I gotta get. Can't really see. Ovens Saint signature swatches. Pretty cool one. And even the back of it's really shiny. It's pretty cool, nice and thick one. And we got Robbie Lawyer. All right, so we got 2 signatures, 1 patch relic, not bad for 1 box, with 3, 6, 8 cards. So 3 out of 8 are nice ones, so I think it's a good investment. But McGregor, really hope you guys like this box unboxing. Until the next time, have a good day, guys.